One countryman wey dey go by the name Ahmad Bashir, he na former media aide to the former president of a country, Muhammadu Buhari. He don come outside now dey yarn dey give the general public say the notorious bandit wey be Bello Turji suppose to dey incarcerated like the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. Oga Bashir say Bello Turji suppose to dey arrested, and as they arrest am, they suppose to keep am inside the deepest part of the worst prison for inside the country Nigeria, the way dem take do Nnamdi Kanu. And according to Oga Ahmed Bashir, he say the actions of Bello Turji wey be the bandit and Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, it don lead to a widespread fear and devastation for inside the country Nigeria. No be small wahala, my good people. Like this now, this man he don put the freedom fighter Nnamdi Kanu for the same boat, for the same plane, for the same ship, for the same line with bandit Bello Turji. That is, they are trying to call Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist. They are trying to call Nnamdi Kanu a bandit. I know very well say the people of Biafra, they no go happy well when they hear this kind of matter, because it no make sense for ear. This man no end there. All these stories so in the yarn for inside one post where in drop for an official social media handle for the popular social media platform where we know as X. And according to how Oga Ahmad Bashir tell yarn for inside the post, he say Bello Turji, like Nnamdi Kanu, supposed to be grilling in the deepest part of the worst prison for inside the country for the terror and RIP where it don inflict upon general public, wey be country people. The both individual wey be Bello Turji and Nnamdi Kanu, they don cause harm to the safety and security of a country Nigeria. Their actions now it don lead to widespread fear and devastation, and they're supposed to be held accountable under the full force of the law. Then for inside last week, Oga Bello Turji come dey make claim say he don seize 2 mine-resistant ambush-protected vehicles, MRAPs, wey dey belong to the Nigerian Army. But now the Nigerian Defence Headquarters, wey be DHQ, they don come outside now come dismiss the claim of Bello Turji. They say the MRAPs they demobilized due to bad terrain during an operation against bandits. Now, how you see this matter, my good people? Is it that Nnamdi Kanu don dey deserve this kind talk wey dey come from Oga Ahmad Bashir, abi na which level? Because this man, if you ask me, I go tell you say he no do anything wrong for calling for Biafra, because na their right. Man wey dey fight for freedom for his people, man wey dey do the necessary things and things on a legal way to make sure say im people get peace, im people get security, and im people last get the freedom wey dem deserve. The federal government can't see am as treason, come put am for inside prison. This kind of levels normally it don't make sense. And now one countryman for inside a country, maybe media aid to the former president of the country, Muhammadu Buhari, he don't come outside now. They indirectly they call Nnamdi Kanu a terrorist, a bandit. Say him and Bello Turji don't spread fear and devastation for inside the country Nigeria. All those kind of levels it don't make sense. Now, my good people, between Nnamdi Kanu waiting for prison now, and before he enter prison, he be fight for the freedom of him people. Between Nnamdi Kanu and the policy of the federal government, the policy of this current administration led by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, which one now we don't bring fear, which one we don't bring devastation come the lives of the general public? Since President Bola Ahmed Tinubu just entered, things just choke for the general public. Now so tears just dey come outside from country people their eye. Things and things wey the president don't do wey no make sense well. And even when the countrymen then cry out, the federal government they go do nothing about the matter. 10-day nationwide protest where countrymen then do sake of the hungry and everything we don't to worry them. The federal government then lock them for prison, say na treason. Na treason now to protest, na treason now to talk your mind for inside the country. Now, between this kind policy and Nnamdi Kanu wey dey fight for freedom, who you go talk say they spread fear and devastation for inside the country Nigeria? Then on Sunday, will be the 8th day of September for inside this year, 2024, the leader of INROI Evangelical Spiritual Church, will be Primate Elijah Ayodele, he come dey tackle President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's administration sake of their lavish spending. Primate Ayodele say the lavish spending of Tinubu administration, it dey destroy and it dey give Nigerian economy RIP instead of the federal government to dey look for ways to dey repair the economy. For inside one statement now wey dey signed by a media aide wey be Osho Oluwatosin, the clergyman come dey yarn say the Nigerian economy e no go smile with the attitude of the government. E no go smile with the way the government dey handle things, and the way the government dey handle things e dey involve unnecessary spending. According to Primate Ayodele, he say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey further dey destroy the economy of a country Nigeria instead of them to dey look for ways and means to take repair am. The unnecessary lavish spending e no dey help the country, and sometimes e dey wonder if the government officials no know wetin dey go on, if they don't know wetin they dey do, because if to say dem dey aware of how things be for inside the country, they no suppose to dey buy some kind things at this very moment. They no suppose to dey buy things at this point in time when economy e get as e be, and no dey see our economy smiling for inside the year 2025. The government now dey supposed to cut cost. The government now dey give RIP to the economy with all this their unnecessary expenditure. Nigeria dey in real trouble, but the government dey act like say they no care. All these informate my good people dey come from Primate Elijah Ayodele. So my good people don confirm am now say all this kind level dey happen for inside the country Nigeria. Now one man wey dey go by the name Ahmed Bashir come outside dey talk say na people like Bello Turji and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na dey scatter we country Nigeria, na dey spread fear and devastation. Now they supposed to call this policy of Bola Ahmed Tinubu terrorist, because dey spread the real fear and dey spread the real devastation. With the things and things wey the federal government dey do, e no make sense. Everybody don confirm am for inside the country say e no true make sense. Where things choke for inside the country Nigeria, you go see politicians, they go dey buy expensive SUV, they go dey refurbish their houses, they go dey buy new presidential jets, they go dey travel abroad, dey live la vida loca. Now Chinese don seize our private jets. Now Chinese don get order to dey seize Nigerian assets abroad, and we country Nigeria dey owe the World Bank huge sum of money. NNPC dey owe their suppliers $6 billion. You dey see how the country Nigeria e just woski reach. This my good people na the informate wey I say make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on our legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside the nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And I beg, try make you share the news to your family and friends, so that them too they go know wetin dey happen for inside our green country where we call Nigeria. I dey come your side again with another interesting information for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.